Hi, my name is Chris Wade, and I'm a contractor from the city of Los Angeles. And today I'm going to talk to you about polishing slate tiles. Here we are at our slate floor. Obviously, this is just a small area that we're going to use to demonstrate polishing a slate floor. Basically, there's really only one way to do it. You don't use any type of a product to actually put directly on the slate because it's so natural and it's so flaky that I'm just going to show you the best way to keep it clean and looking fresh. You want to sweep up the large debris just with a soft broom. After that, you can vacuum up with a soft bristle brush and pick up the larger pieces of debris and just basically sweep it up or vacuum it up, getting it all up, get all the dust off. What we're going to use is basically just warm water with about 2 teaspoons of any liquid detergent, just very little bit. Just want to spray it on the whole area. I mean, you can do the whole floor if you want, or you can do portions and walk your way back, however you want to do it. Just spray it on, and basically you can take a soft brush or even a mop that's got, this type of material for the mop surface, and just wipe up the excess. Simple as that. All you're doing is just getting it down, wiping up the excess. If you do this once a week, this will keep your slate floor looking nice and fresh. That's how you do it.